Hi, welcome again to our video. For this video, we will learn the top 5 amazing health benefits of chia seeds. Do you use chia seeds in your smoothie? Despite their small size, chia seeds are full of important nutrients. They are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, rich in antioxidants, and they provide fiber, iron, and calcium. Omega-3 fatty acids help raise HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol that protects against heart attack and stroke. Loaded with antioxidants. Another area in which chia seeds shine is their high antioxidant content. These antioxidants protect the sensitive fats in the seeds from going rancid. Though the benefits of antioxidant supplements are debated, researchers agree that getting antioxidants from foods can have positive health effects. Most importantly, antioxidants fight the production of free radicals, which can damage cell molecules and contribute to aging and diseases like cancer. Treating diverticulosis. High-fiber diets have been shown to decrease the prevalence in flare-ups of diverticulitis by absorbing water in the colon and making bowel movements easier to pass. Eating a healthful, fiber-filled diet with plenty of fruit and vegetables can reduce pressure and inflammation in the colon. The exact causes of diverticular disease are not known, but the condition has repeatedly been associated with a low-fiber diet. Diabetes. While there aren't many studies on the effect of chia on blood glucose and insulin resistance, a 2017 study suggests that chia seeds may have the ability to convert glucose into a slow-release carbohydrate. This could have a positive effect on people with type 2 diabetes. High-fiber diets are associated with a lower risk of developing diabetes, and eating high-fiber meals helps to keep blood sugar stable. Based on a review of findings from several large studies, the National Institute of Medicine found that diets with 14 grams of fiber for every 1,000 calories were associated with significant reductions in the risk of both coronary heart disease and type 2 diabetes. The high fiber and protein content in chia seeds may help you lose weight. Many health experts believe that chia seeds can aid weight loss. Its soluble fiber absorbs large amounts of water and expands in your stomach, which should increase fullness and slow the absorption of food. Several studies have examined the soluble fiber glucomannan, which works in a similar way, showing that it can lead to weight loss. Also, the protein in chia seeds could help reduce appetite and food intake. In fact, one study found that eating chia seeds for breakfast increased satiety and reduced food intake in the short term. However, studies examining the effectiveness of chia seeds for weight loss have provided rather disappointing results. In a study in 90 overweight people, 50 grams of chia seeds per day for 12 weeks had no effect on body weight or health markers. In another 10-week study in 62 women, chia seeds had no effect on body weight but did increase the amount of omega-3 fat in the blood. In contrast, a 6-month study in obese people with type 2 diabetes on a reduced-calorie diet found that eating chia seeds daily caused significantly greater weight loss than a placebo. Though adding chia seeds to your diet is unlikely to cause weight loss on its own, many experts believe they can be a useful addition to a weight loss diet. A weight loss diet is about more than just single foods. The entire diet counts, as well as other lifestyle behaviors like sleep and exercise. When combined with a real food-based diet and a healthy lifestyle, chia seeds may definitely help promote weight loss. Before we proceed to our final and last benefit of chia seed, please give us a like and share. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So here is the last and you must know about the benefits of chia seed to your body. They're high in many important bone nutrients. Chia seeds are high in several nutrients that are important for bone health. This includes calcium, phosphorus, magnesium and protein. The calcium content is particularly impressive, 18% of the RDI in a single ounce, 28 grams. Gram for gram, this is higher than most dairy products. As a result, chia seeds may be considered an excellent source of calcium for people who don't eat dairy. However, chia seeds also contain phytic acid, which reduces calcium absorption to some extent. And that's all for this video. Hope you enjoy our video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you may be able to get notified for more upcoming videos.